Welcome to my channel Digitivity. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to give a glow effect to the text. One more thing, if you don't have GIMP installed on your computer, you can go to the link given in the I button and watch the tutorial about how to download and install GIMP for Windows 10, absolutely free. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. First, open up your GIMP software. Once you are inside of GIMP, go to File on the top left and click New, choose the resolution you want, and click OK. Make sure your background color is black or any dark color, which will show the glow effect nicely when we create. Now click on the text tool in the toolbox. I am using white color for text. You can choose any lighter color. Now I want to make this text larger to fit our canvas area. So let's click on the scaling tool, then click on the text and stretch. This looks better to me. Now, we want to bring it to the center. So click on the line tool and click on the text. And click the center buttons for both horizontal and vertical alignment. Now, our text is exactly at the center. Now right-click on the text layer here in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer to duplicate the text layer. Now, click on the filters in the menu options above. Then, click on Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur effect as per your choice. For me, this is looking good. Now, press OK. To change the color of the glowing effect, go to Colors, then Colorize. You can try different colors by changing colors from here. To give the effect, we have to decrease the lightness. Now, adjust the ratio of hue to change the color to your choice. For me, this one is looking good. Now press OK, and you are done. Now go to File option, go to Export As. Here you can rename your file and make sure the extension of your file is .jpeg or .png, which are the most popular extensions. Or you can change the extension below here. Now press Export. Again press Export and your file will be saved. Now close GIMP and let's have a look at our saved file. This was it for today's tutorial. Please press the like button if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon on the right side of subscribe button to get updates about my new tutorials. Also, if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section below or suggest topics you want me to make a tutorial on.